In this section, I will try to explain the edge computing concept and the use of edge computing in the 5G and what are the use cases that can make use of the edge computing according to the different requirements of the use case. With the maturity and the commercial use of 5G and the vertical industries, the network will have more devices to access and massive data to process. However, the current centralized core data processing mode cannot bear the computing brought by low latency and high bandwidth. It is necessary to set up a local distributed network at the end that is close to data to provide the computing and the storage capabilities to improve the performance and reliability of applications and to reduce the load of core network and focus on edge computing. The operators can use the edge computing to significantly improve the user experience, reduce the network transmission load, reduce response delay of devices and systems, and improve the control accuracy. The telco edge is commonly coupled with the 5G use cases and seen as one of the ingredients of the ultra reliable low latency communication or the URLLC and the enhanced mobile broadband EMBB network slicing. Whatever your industry or your organization is, the shift to the network edge will impact your capabilities. So together, the 5G and the mobile edge computing will act as a force multiplier for innovation, helping to reach and deliver huge ideas for transformation. So let's have a look on the use cases for using the edge computing with the 5G. So the first use case here is the edge computing or the edge CDN content delivery network with enhanced mobile broadband core network slicing. And here we are monetizing the 5G by provisioning the enhanced mobile broadband network slice with distributed content delivery network as a service. And this will be enabling the ultra high definition or the ultra HD streaming using video optimization, caching for large files, and other capabilities that can be either bundled by the network slice offering or implicitly enabled by the operators. We have many targeted segments, and some examples of the targeted segments here is the content owners, potential revenue sharing model, and the mobile virtual network operators, and lastly the stadiums and venues. The second use case for using the edge computing along with the 5G is the private 5G. So the private 5G is considered one of the most anticipated business use cases in the coming few years, which is enabling the mobile operators to provide a standalone private mobile network to the enterprises that may include all the ingredients of the PLMN, such as the radio, the core, infrastructure, and services, which is covering the business requirements in terms of security, performance, reliability, and availability. And here, the targeted segments will be the governmental sectors and the public safety for mission critical applications, and the factories and industry sector. Also, the enterprises with business critical application will be one of our target segments, and the enterprises with strict security requirements with respect to assets reachability. The third use case for using the edge computing in the 5G network is the vehicle to everything or the V2X set of use cases, which is providing a 5G monetization framework for mobile operators developing the 5G ultra reliable low latency communication, or the URLLC business use cases, which is targeting the automotive industry, the smart city regulators, and the public safety. So as you can see, the targeted segments here are the automotive industry, the governmental departments, either smart cities, transport, police, emergency services, or whatever. And also the private residentials will be one of our target segments, like the compounds, the hotels, and the resorts. And finally, the enterprises and industrial campuses also will be part of our targeted segments. The fourth use case for using the edge computing in the 5G network is the edge vRAN deployments. So the vRAN is one of the trending technologies of RAN deployment that fits for all radio access technologies. The virtual RAN will help to provide the coverage for rural and uncovered areas with capex reduction compared to traditional and legacy RAN deployment. And this coverage can be extended to all area types with 5G greenfield. So we have also targeted segments here, like the private 5G customers. The virtual RAN can be part of the non-public network. And the B2B customers and mobile network operators, the virtual RAN can be part of the end-to-end network slicing. And also one of the target segments here can be the mobile consumers segment.